Sani-Matic, where you will find automated cleaning confidence. The SaniCab P Series cabinet washer is available in 3 models: the P335, the P365, and P565. The SaniCab and parts rack system clean many of the process parts in your process, including scale buckets, hoses, totes, and more. For complete spray coverage, 6 hydraulically driven spray arms are positioned on the top, sides, and bottom of the washer's cabinet. Sani-Matic custom design racks to safely transport parts from the equipment to the SaniCab. Operators release the rack to guide it off the cart and into the washer, where it latches in place before unlocking the cart for removal. The automated door lock offers another level of door security, and the touchscreen HMI clearly walks users through each wash step. Strategically positioned spray nozzles ensure impactful action and complete spray coverage, and chemistry is controlled and monitored throughout the chemical wash phase with a conductivity analyzer. From start to wash complete, the system is easy to use. Documenting wash cycles with Sani-Matic Sanitary data acquisition and management system allows personnel to collect, store, and review cleaning wash cycle data for meaningful analysis. Following a wash cycle, removing the rack is as smooth and safe a process as loading it. The safety latches and releases make transport secure. Some process parts, such as hoses, require directed sprays. The spring-loaded active coupler connects with the rack for high-impact cleaning. The SaniCab options include zoned valves, flow meters, electric heaters, pressure transmitters, Y strainers, stainless steel pumps and motors, and more. With pressure gauges before and after the Y strainer, operators can capture fine particles and identify pressure drops, signaling it is time to clean the strainer. The tray strainer captures larger soils. The system's 18-gallon center sump results in significant water savings. A water level sensor is placed in the center sump to ensure ample water supply. The SaniCab maintains a sanitary open-channel frame design. The system maintains a preventive maintenance program to monitor wearable parts. We are Sani-Matic.